So I've installed the handrails. So I'm working on this right now to tighten them. The reason why it's very important that I have to show you what I did wrong is that you pay attention to the instruction. Sometimes I'm not really understanding very well the picture, so here's what I did wrong. This is installed, the bolts are installed for the handrail, so this is the right installation. This holder should be facing outside like that. And then this left is facing, I don't know. So basically it's supposed to be facing outside. This look. So right now it's like they're like uniform posture, which is not right. So this is the correct one. So again, you have to follow the instruction, the picture. Make sure to pay attention with the picture, because that's the only way for you to install or assemble this machine correctly. See? Oh, this is really wrong. But it's easy to unbolt because you already know what to use. See ya.